In this video, I will teach you how to block screenshots on WhatsApp. So first, go and open WhatsApp and then choose the contact that I would like to send the picture that should be blocked or the screenshot. Let's pick up this one for example. In here, we can send a picture that we got before or a new picture. So let's pick up a new picture here. I'm gonna click on the camera button. And let's make picture with this one here, for example. So let's do anything, I don't know, let's draw something here, some lines or circles. Also, anything that should be here written down in the caption as well will not be able to take as a screenshot. So let's say hi, for example, point. So here's the last step. We're gonna tap on this number, which is 1. So this got 2 points. The first one, that this picture will be seen only once. The second point, this picture will not be able to take in as a screenshot. And then click on send. So the other person will not be able to take a screenshot or even to save this picture on his phone. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.